Hello and welcome. So, Natasha, do you want to tell everyone what we'll be drawing today?
Little kiwi.
Yes, we're going to be drawing a kiwi. Now, we're actually going to be drawing a kiwi bird, not the kiwi fruit. So the kiwi bird is a very special bird which is native to New Zealand, so that's what we'll be drawing today. But maybe another day we'll draw a kiwi fruit. Yeah? Cool. Alright, so before we start, we need some drawing materials. So what do we need?
Markers.
We need markers to do the drawing, that's right. And
Coloring pencils.
yeah, something to colour in. Could be colouring pencils, could be
Oil pastels.
pastels, yeah, I like those. Felt pens, could be paint, anything you want.
And of course paper.
And of course paper to do something to draw on. Alright, so are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Cool, let's go. Okay, so we've got our paper here. Now, the first thing that we're going to do, I think it's always nice to start off with drawing some eyes. So we draw some nice big round circles, kind of in the middle, in the top of the page. I'm going to make this a nice big kiwi, so go around like that. So one big circle for the eye. Yeah, good job. And then we do another one to the left, a little bit smaller because the eye is further away, so it looks like it's in the distance a little bit. There we go. Awesome. Now, we also need to put some little pupils in there, so we're going to draw a smaller circle in there, and each of those like that. And depending where you put the eyes, if you put it in the middle, he's kind of looking straight at you. If you put him to the left, he'd be looking that way, and so on. And then we're going to put a little bit of a highlight in there. So we're going to draw another little circle in the middle circle there, like this. And we'll do the same for the other side there as well. That looks like there's a bit of a light reflecting in his eyes. And then we might as well just do it now. We could just colour in the rest of his eyes black. Now you can also colour his eyes in blue or brown or green, whatever colour you want. We just like to do that black. Alright, so that's looking good. Now on top of his head, he's going to have like a little puff of feathers, like he's got a little spiky hair. So I think that will look cute on him. So we're going to do like this. It looks like 3 little fingers actually on the top there. Like that, and this is little puffy hair or feathers. Alright, looking good. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his beak. Now kiwis have got a very long beak, and they use that to dig in the dirt to find worms and other bugs to eat. So we're just going to start in between the middle of his nose, and we're going to go all the way down here, and at the end we're going to go do a little round tip there. You can make it pointy if you want, but I like to make it a little bit round. And we're going to go all the way back up here and then round to the start. So it's quite a big long shape. It looks like a long balloon. There you go. That is looking really good. And around and back up again. Yeah. And then in that shape, we're going to have looks like we're going to have a bit of a mouth. We're going to have a bit of a curly bit on top, and then go down and kind of join around there, because that's how his beak opens up. Good job. Now the next part, we're going to finish off his head. So we've got all the little bits and pieces for his face. Now we're going to draw the head, and the head's going to be almost like a big circle, but we're going to leave it a little bit open at the bottom. That's where his body is going to join. So I'm going to start here at the top near his beak. So there's a little bit there. So we just pretend that it goes around behind his eyes, but we don't actually put our pen down. And then it continues around like this. And on the other side, we have a big circle there as well. And we kind of like just stop here a little bit. And then we continue a little bit further like that. So you can see it's a circle, but we've left a little gap open there, and that's where it's going to join his body. Awesome, that's looking good. So I think the next thing we'll do now is his feet. So kiwis, they've got really big feet, and they use that to walk around on the ground, in the mud and the dirt, but they also can run really fast as well. So let's draw that. We're going to draw some really big feet. Now kiwis, they've got 3 big toes, so they're going to do one here, and we're just going to make them look really round and cute, like this. And then go down to the bottom, and he's got a bit of a heel there as well. There we go. Awesome, looking good. And we'll do the same thing on the other side, but kind of facing the other way a little bit, on a different angle. Up we go. Round. Oh, you're very good. There we go. Now the next thing we're going to do is draw his wings.
I was about to say that.
You were about to say that? That's very good. Now kiwis, you know that kiwis don't actually fly. They're a flightless bird. So they do have wings, but they're very small. So we're going to draw one on here. And draw one on here. Around like that. Again, it just looks like 3 little fingers there. And that's his feathers. And great, well, you've already drawn one on the other side, so that's good. So we can do one here on the other side. I'll make this one a little bit smaller because it's on the back of his body, so it looks like it's a bit further away. Now the last thing we need to do is draw his body. So we've got all the parts there, and the good thing is again, in the body, we're just going to make a circle. So we just go around like that, and when we come to the wings, we just leave a little gap, and then we just continue onwards there as well, because the body is behind those legs and those wings, and then the last bit up there. Great, and you did that. Okay, there we go. So we finished drawing our kiwi, and it looks really awesome. So all we need to do now is colour it in. That's right. So we'll fast forward this part, and we'll be back soon. Alright, we're back. Now we've finished colouring our drawings, and I think they look awesome. So nice work there, Natasha. Then what you can do is you can add some extra details. So like with mine, I've coloured mine in with colouring pencils, and I've added some extra details, some little feathers on his body and some little lines on his feet. And Natasha, you've used markers, which is awesome, and you've added in other details as well. There's it looks like he's in the garden, got a little flower there, butterfly, the sun. So there you go. You can add all other little details and backgrounds if you like to make it look amazing. So did you have fun?
Yep.
Yeah, excellent. That's awesome. I had fun too. So we hope you had lots of fun too, and remember it's okay if your drawing looks a little different, because you can add your own special touches to it. But the most important thing is that you had fun. Yeah? So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye!
Bye!